Hello, you are most welcome to Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. In numerical series, we are going to solve one more numerical from electrical machines. In example 6.12, we have to obtain relations in option A and option B from the equivalent circuit of polyphase induction motor. Here I2ST referred as stator load component of current at starting and I2MT as stator load component of current at maximum torque. We assume that stator resistance is neglected. Now from this circuit I2 equal to VE divided by total impedance under root of RE plus R2 by S whole square plus XE plus X2 whole square. Stator resistance is neglected, so Re equal to 0 and assume Xe plus X2 equal to capital of X. Then I2 equal to VE divided by under root of R2 by S whole square plus X square. Now at starting we know that S equal to 1, so putting this value in equation number 1 we get I2 at starting equal to VE divided by under root of R2 square plus X square. Divide equation number second by first. I2ST by I2 equal to under root of R2 by S whole square plus X square divided by under root of R2 square plus capital X square. The ratio of I2ST divided by I2 is referred as equation number 3. Now we know that slip at maximum torque equal to R2 by under root of capital RE square plus XE plus X2 whole square. Here we know that we assume Re equal to 0 and capital X equal to Xe plus X2 in this problem. So SMT approximates to R2 divided by X, or we can also write R2 equal to SMT multiplied by X. Put R2 equal to SMT multiplied by X in equation number 3. Then what we obtained? I2ST by I2 is equal to under root of SMT by S whole square plus 1 divided by SMT square plus 1. We will simplify it. We will obtain the derivation what we have to obtain in option number A. Again we will start from I2 equal to VE divided by under root of R2 by S whole square plus X2 square capital S square. Now I2 at maximum torque can be referred, we can replace small s to S at maximum torque SMT. We get the I2 maximum torque. Now I2 maximum torque divided by I2 equal to, we will divide this equation from equation number this I2. It is equal to under root of R2 by S whole square plus X square divided by R2 by SMT whole square plus X square. Now put R2 equal to SMT multiplied by X in this equation. We get I2 maximum torque equal to under root of SMT by SMTX by S whole square plus X square divided by SMTX by SMT whole square plus X square. Simplifying it, we will obtain I2 maximum torque divided by I2 equal to under root of 1 by 2 whole bracket 1 plus SMT by S whole square. This is the derivation what we have to obtain in option number B. That's all in this session. We will take some more problems in next videos, and if anyone have some doubts then ask in comment section. I will try to rectify it. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep practicing.